was real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she can. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't you didn't have no one. She said just to get enough age at 59 I wasn't gonna be there. She lied to you, lied to me, thought she was loving me, yeah.
I never would've thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels. It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be an angel sent from heaven just for me.